Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and we're in my bedroom so I can show you these awesome curtains by Dreaming Casa. What I like about them is that it comes in a set of two and they black out the sun very nicely. It really helps me to sleep better even if I want to sleep in a little bit. These guys do a great job blocking out the sunlight. The material is very good quality. It's a navy blue velvet color. It's very soft. Also, the top of the curtains have a pocket for the rod. You can customize these curtains. You can also customize the sizes, which I think is great because we all have different windows shapes, and I think that's very convenient when you purchase it. So if you're looking for great blackout curtains for your room, I really recommend these ones, and that is my point of view.